Welcome to this module, which is structuring prompts with intent goal. Provide a precise, repeatable framework that eliminates ambiguity and forces ChatGPT to produce the outcome the user actually wants in the format they want at the quality level that they need. The core principle: effective prompts follow a deliberate structure. Goal leads to inputs, then constraints, then output, and finally the output format. This structure works across business tasks, creative tasks, research tasks, and technical tasks. Next section one, the goal statement. A goal statement is a short, direct declaration of what you want ChatGPT to achieve. It sets direction, reduces hesitation, and ensures the model works on the right problem. Characteristics of a good goal statement: clear, singular intention, action oriented phrasing, no hidden subtasks, no vague verbs like help, discuss, explore. Weak goal. Example of weak goal: help me write something for my website. A strong goal will be write a 120 word homepage introduction for my fitness app. Now let's look at the exercise. Rewrite three vague goals from your recent prompts into sharp, action focused ones. Next section, providing inputs. Inputs are the raw materials the model relies on. Without correct inputs, even the best structured prompts will misfire. Types of inputs: raw text, data points, user preferences, product descriptions, context capsules. Best practices: place all inputs after the goal. Label them clearly. Use short declarative blocks for readability. An example of a bad input delivery: my company is called FitWave. We do fitness programs for busy professionals. Dot, dot, dot. Example of a good input delivery: inputs are 1. The company name FitWave, audience busy professionals, aged 25 to 45, the product 20-minute guided fitness sessions. The key message is quick, effective, no equipment. Exercise here: take an existing prompt you used this month and rewrite the input section bullet pointed bullet pointed blocks. Next section, constraints. Constraints are the boundaries within which the model must operate. Without constraints, ChatGPT defaults to generic, verbose, or overly creative responses. Constraint categories: length, limits, tone control, audience targeting, inclusions and exclusions, languages, simplicity, prohibited content, formatting restrictions, knowledge scope. Examples: limit to 150 words, avoid jargon and corporate buzzwords, write for non technical adults, exclude any mention of pricing. If unsure, say unknown. How constraints reduce hallucination? They sharply reduce the model's freedom to invent, they prevent drift into unwanted areas, they guide the model toward an identifiable structure. Exercise to do: add at least three constraints to prompt you regularly use and test output differences. So I'll wait here for you to add at least three constraints to prompt you regularly use and test output differences. Next section, output format. This is the most underused element of prompting. Format determines how the answer is shaped. Format types are paragraphs, tables, lists, frameworks, outlines, bullet summaries, JSON scripts, step-by-step workflows. Example prompt with explicit format. Output format: a four-part framework with short labels and 2 to 3 sentences under each level. Example before this: explain a growth strategy. Example after is goal, point out the goal. Explain a growth strategy for a SaaS startup. Constraints: identify the constraints. Simple language, real examples, no marketing fluff. Output format: a 3 section guide with headers, principle, action steps, example scenario. Exercise to do: pick one task you are doing today and force the output into a non default shape like table, framework, or outline. Next section, section number 5, the full structure in action. A complete prompt using all four components. The prompt goal: create a 160 word promotional email for my productivity app. Inputs: the app name is Time Pilot. The audience: new users who signed up in the last 7 days. Core benefits: smart scheduling, automatic task grouping, daily focus score. Constraints are plain English, no hype, no exclamation mark. A single call to action only. The output format: three paragraphs, hook, benefits, and the call to action. The result that you get is clear, consistent, and aligned with user expectations. Finally, the section advanced layer, conditional logic. For more complex tasks, add micrologic inside the prompt. Example: if any information is missing in my inputs, ask a single clarifying question before generating the output. This prevents the model from making assumptions. The next section, last section, practice drills. Rewrite a vague multi-purpose prompt into a fully structured one. Convert one messy instruction you previously gave ChatGPT into the four-step structure. Run three tasks today using only the goal, inputs, and constraints framework output format model. Compare results with your earlier one-shot prompt. With that, we'll finish this lecture. See you in the next one. This is Asman. See you in the next one.